As the storm-ravaged landscape begins to dry and the skies turn blue, Sicily is embarking on a long and challenging journey to recovery. Then Storm Domingos brought severe weather to Italy amid concerns about the kingdom's storm preparedness. As a result of Storm Kiran, heavy rain, fierce winds and tornadoes wreaked havoc across the region, causing significant damage to homes, infrastructure, and the power grid. Storm Kiran left a trail of destruction in Italy, with Italy reeling under the fury of extreme weather conditions, with Rome and Tuscany and Sicily bearing the brunt of the consequences. With damage estimated at €500 million, the region is struggling with clogged roads, bridges, and inaccessible buildings. The storms caused widespread loss of life, with at least 7 deaths reported in Italy. The storm dealt a heavy blow to the region's economy. High winds caused trees to fall on trams in Rome, damaging the overhead network and requiring a temporary replacement with buses, prompting the government to declare a state of emergency. The storms not only disrupted daily life, but also claimed many lives, highlighting the need for immediate assistance and support.
Holy cow. We got hail.
The storm in Sicily is a stark reminder of the power of nature and the vulnerability of human civilization in the face of such natural disasters. It also demonstrates the strength and solidarity that arises in times of crisis, uniting communities and nations in the face of hardship. With businesses and homes needing extensive repairs and rebuilding, costs are sure to skyrocket. The closure of parks, cemeteries, and other areas due to the emergency further disrupted economic activity. Power outages have impacted businesses and industries that rely on electricity, and the economic impact of the storms is likely to linger as regions work to recover and rebuild. Sicily, with its resilience and determination, is on the road to recovery, and our hope is that this beloved region will build stronger than ever, carrying its rich history into the future. Please join us every day to stay updated with weather information. Don't miss out, click the register button to support us.